Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. I was going to just make one long video with my last video, but I decided to make a separate video because I asked on Instagram and more people wanted a separate video. So I am starting a weekend in my life. This will be a fun little weekend. We spent last night with Emily and Pat. We played poker. We ate dinner with them and then played poker. It was actually really fun. I never have played poker before, but it was fun. Max had a whole set, so he was like, guys, we should play. Honestly, that's this winter where you have nothing going on, so you have to think of fun things like that to do. Anyway, but I am currently heating up the oven so that I can bake my sourdough bread. This is like the pinnacle of my week. And I'm really excited. I hope it works. And then we're actually gonna go on a hike with Emily and Pat. So it's good because the sourdough has to rest for 2 hours and I don't honestly know if I could wait to try it for 2 hours. So it'll be good because we'll leave and then we'll come back and be able to try it. So yeah, that's the plan for this morning, but I will show you guys what the dough looks like right now. Okay, this is the dough right now. I scored it with this little leaf pattern, but I don't know if I did it deep enough. Looks pretty good though. It's just a little flat, but you know, you win some, you lose some. So something I figured out with this one is that you have to close the lid for it to like ferment. I think it just needs, it like holds the heat in better or something, or the humidity, I'm not sure. Okay, I just got the Dutch oven out of the oven. It's really hot, it's 500 degrees. And now I'm gonna drop in the dough. I just opened it because it's been 25 minutes, so I took the lid off, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. It rose, it like, I mean, it's kind of crazy, but look at all those bubbles. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little bit burnt. Okay, darn. Oh well. Wow. Max, look.
That looks really good. Can we eat it?
No, we have to wait 2 hours. Okay, you're supposed to knock on the bottom. I don't want to mess it up. Sounds hollow to me. I guess we'll go on this hike and then come back and have some sourdough bread. Here, Em, film me. I'm gonna go. No. I can't. No, you're not. Wow, that is really pretty. Yummy pizza. Just got back in the car. We went for a hike at a little place nearby and then went to a brewery that's like right next door and had a beer with everybody. It's freaking cold out. Oh no, it's probably like 30 degrees. And then we got pizzas from a food truck. They're delicious. I haven't finished mine yet because it was so cold. We decided we wanted to leave. We actually hung out here a while. I mean, they had a heater, which was nice. Okay, gotta try your first bite.
That's really good. Not.
Today is a weird day. I don't know. We got back from the hike, ate our pizza, and then Max fell asleep on the couch. And then I did I like vacuumed and stuff, and then I finished up a blog post and published it to post on Monday morning, which is nice, so that's done. But then we were gonna make chili, but now we're just tired and we don't feel like it. So we're gonna just order Mexican food because that is simpler. Good morning, happy Sunday. Max and I are going to Lucketts, Virginia, which is this like little town out in Leesburg, I think. And they have this cute vintage shop, and I've always wanted to stop by there. I've driven by it before, and I've always wanted to stop there. So today we decided to go ahead and go look at it. I'm kind of looking for something for our entryway. We have like a piece of furniture right there that I don't love, and I would like to get like a bench or something that we could keep our shoes in underneath and like put our shoes on and stuff by. And then I also want to look for some like art and stuff. I don't know, we'll see what we can find. And then I don't know what we'll do from there. Who knows?
But now I don't care, 'cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
So I think I'm old now because I really like antiquing, I think. I've always been an old lady. No, but it was fun. It was like, they definitely had some stuff that wasn't actual antiques. And like, I don't even know, I got this dough bowl, but I don't know if that's really an antique or not.
I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things.
Texas
You're always
trip.
there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love.
Okay, so we just got home and we are going to my parents' house for dinner tonight. So they asked if I could bring some bread, and I have like half a loaf of sourdough. So I think I'm gonna bring that. I think I'm gonna make another like type of bread, but I'm gonna make a white loaf, not a sourdough loaf, because sourdough you have to start like way in advance. I can't just like make it one day.
Show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
So we just ate our lunch, and I just came upstairs to do a little bit of work. I have a lot of stuff to edit, including this video, the video from last week, and my morning routine. So I'm going to work on editing those a little bit so that I can be a little bit ahead of the game this week. And then I'm gonna finish the bread, and then we'll probably go to my parents' house.
Caught up in the bed.
Maloney! Oh, what's that?
You show me
Mayomi.
how to heal.
It's Chardonnay. Oh, it's their Chardonnay.
My
Okay, I'll get the glasses.
scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain. Show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
We just got home from my parents' house. We ended up lying on the couch and talking to them for a long time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend in my life. It was so fun to film. I love like capturing little fun weekends like this. I'll be back next week with another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, friends.
Don't feel broken anymore.